So today we are in the kitchen and I am canning some green beans. I just did a cold pack method with those. This will be my first time canning green beans. Fresh from my garden, mind you, so that's pretty fabulous. And over here, I think I mentioned before, I was gifted some kale. And so I dehydrated it last night and I'm going to blend it up and add it to my green powder. And yeah, that's where we're at. And then after that, I'm going to make a blueberry peach crisp. Because it's kind of a cloudy day and I can actually turn my oven on today. And yeah, that's what we're up to. So it might only be 2 jars of beans to you, but to me, I'm actually quite proud of this. I grew those beans. I planted them from a seed, I grew them, I harvested them, and I preserved them. And oh my gosh! At 57 years old, it's about bloody time I learned how to do this. So, yay! I am really excited about the progress that I am making here. Wahoo! Yummy, yummy blueberry peach crisp. All made and ready for dinner. And then I've got all of this celery. And this is a summer celery, so as you can see the stalks are really thin. What I did the last time was I cut the stalks off and I used them in my relish. And then I dried all the leaves and I'm going to powder them and use them in a way similar to celery salt, but without the salt. So I've got this bundle here and then I've got another bundle here. And my kitchen's a mess because I've been doing stuff. Oh, and look! Look, my very first cucumber. And my very first English cucumber that I've ever grown. So, I mean, I have grown cucumbers before, but it's the first one of this variety. And what a beauty! I just love it. So this is going to be part of dinner tonight. And what else? Oh, my beans. So I did get 3 cans of beans out of that. It was a little over a pound and 9 ounces. But look at what happened to this one. I think I didn't fill it enough. And although it has sealed, it leaked out a bunch of water. So we might end up having that for dinner tonight too. Although I have some fresh ones that I think we might have to have for dinner tonight. And let's see, so the celery is going into the dehydrator, at least some of it, and then I'm not sure, I might freeze some of the rest of it. And we'll see. I'll be back. So here we have dehydrated celery leaf. And what I'm going to do with this, and Mom actually just came and asked me what on earth I was going to do with this. And I am going to grind it so that it's like a celery powder that I can use in place of celery salt. So it'll be like a saltless celery salt. So yeah, I've got my little mini grinder ready to go. But first, I have to go take care of Tabby. So this little guy takes it down to a small leaf, but I want it to be a powder, so I'm going to try to put this now into my coffee grinder and see what happens with that. That's better. That's what I want. And oh my gosh, the celery smell is just crazy. So I'm going to be able to use this in all kinds of recipes this fall. Yay! So if you watch my channel, then you know that I've tried a couple of times unsuccessfully to dehydrate pineapple. And I love fresh pineapple, and I love to buy it whole, but nobody else here in my family is particularly fond of it, so they don't necessarily eat it like I do, just not in anything. I'll just eat pieces of pineapple, right? So I'm going to try something new today, and this came to me, it was an idea from Melissa Archbold, I believe her name is, and I will put a link down for her page down in the bottom there. But anyway, she freezes them, so I'm going to just do small. I'm not going to do the whole pineapple. I've got half of it in here. In rings, and I'm going to turn it into smoothies. I swear, I'm going to do smoothies. Anyway, she takes a skewer and runs it through here. And that's it, and then freezes it. So that is what I'm going to do, and I'm going to try these frozen. So I will be back when they're frozen to give them a try and let you know what I think. Alrighty then. So, I'm gonna have to take them inside, I guess. Here is my, let's try not to drop them, my frozen pineapple, and brr, that is cold on my hands. Okay, so, I have to peel them up, and then I want to get 2 of them right back into the freezer again, because I'm not going to eat all of them. I should probably give each one its own little bag. These are big ones. Okay, I'm going to get these right into here. Okay. Here we go. Going to try some frozen pineapple.
Aren't those cute? Oh my.
Here, you take this one.
Why?
Because it's bigger.
So you took Melissa's idea
Mm-hmm.
and froze some pineapple. How is it?
Mmm.
It's frozen.
Mm-hmm.
It's a popsicle.
It's really good, though.
Are you filming?
I am.
No. Please let the people know that I am not an old woman so cold on a hot summer day.
You're sitting here in a blanket. You and your binky.
My kitty cat does not like to sit on my lap if I just have pants on. She likes my blanket.
She likes your warm, fuzzy blanket.
By the way, whatever happened to your video of you going in to see David with flowers poked in your cap around your camera?
It's on there.
Is it on there?
It's on there.
Oh,
You're not watching closely enough, lady.
Oh, well.
It's one. Which one is it? I don't remember.
It's a while back.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll have to go check it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Say that.
Subscribe and like. Thumbs up. No?
Yeah.
Is that what you want?
And ring the notification
We
bell.
gotta hurry up and hang that up.
Thanks for watching.
I already said that.
Bye now.
Bye. Bye now. Bye.